trees are friends. Learning objectives. 1. To apprehend the importance of trees. 2. To understand how to protect trees. Warm up. Trees are beautiful. Name the parts of a tree and label them in the given spaces around it. Describe different parts of tree in your own words. On Sunday afternoon, Pooja's friend came to her house. It suddenly began raining. They could not go out to play. Pooja's grandpa asked them not to feel sad. He called them and said, "I will tell you some interesting things. Do you know, trees are one of the best things that Mother Earth has given us. They are our best friends. They help us in many ways. Can each one of you tell me one use of trees? Let us begin with Pooja. Pooja. They give us wood. We use woods of trees in making houses, boxes, tools, etc. Riya. They provide us medical herbs. Rekha. Trees gives us shade. Amrita. We get fruits from the trees. Renu. Trees provides us with nuts, rubber, oil and gums. Suman. The branches of the trees are the best places for the birds to build their nest. Grandpa, can you tell some other uses of trees? Riya. Trees provide us paper. We would not be able to read and write without paper. Grandpa was very happy. Grandpa. Now, I will now tell you about some more uses of trees. Trees help to keep the air clean and fresh. They inhales the carbon dioxide being released due to burning of fuel and exhales oxygen during photosynthesis. They cause the rainfall too. They protect the water resources under the ground. Their roots bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. Trees also prevent floods and droughts. Do you know that still many of the tribes in a country live in forests, which have dense layers of trees? Trees are indeed a marvelous gift of God to us. It is our duty to protect them. Trees are our friends. Without them, there would be no life on earth. All the children became serious. Children, what can we do to save trees? Grandpa, we must protect trees. We must teach people about the importance of trees. We must try our best to grow more trees. We can save trees by not cutting them. The Chipko movement was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna to save trees in Garhwal. When tree fellers came to chop trees, people tightly clasped trees with their arms, making it impossible for them to cut the trees. Government has started the Van Mahotsav movement, which means planting of trees. We should not waste the products obtained from trees. This will result in less trees being cut down. All the children thanked Grandpa and promised him that they would make trees their true best friends. That they would make trees their true friends. They promised to plant more and more trees. Meanwhile, it had stopped raining. They happily rushed out to play in the garden. Fine meaning. Suddenly, quickly and unexpectedly, herbs, small plants without having woody stems. Photosynthesis, the process by which a green plant prepares its own food in presence of sunlight. Soil erosion, wearing away of the soil from the earth's surface. Grasped something tightly with one's hands. Van Mahotsav, an annual tree planting festival. Exercises, creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever planted or taken care of trees or plants in your life? How does it feel? Share your story with your friends, expressing your experience. Cross-curricular connect, learning by doing. With the help of elders, sow a seed and water it every day. Observe the plant's growth and record the observation below. Logical thinking. Trees are important. Discuss with your friends and classmates what should be done to protect the trees. Write a paragraph on the importance of trees, words 100 to 120. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Who had come to Pooja's house? Answer. Pooja's friends came to her house. 2. Why could not the children play outside? Answer. Children could not play outside as it was raining. 3. Write the uses of wood. Answer. Wood is used to make houses, boxes, tools, etc. 4. From where do we get paper? What would happen if there was no paper? Answer. We get paper from trees. If there was no paper, we will not be able to study. 5. How do trees keep the air clean and fresh? Answer. The trees inhale the carbon dioxide being released due to fuel burning and exhale the oxygen during photosynthesis. 6. How can we save trees? Answer. We should teach people about the importance of trees. We must try our best to grow more trees. We can save trees by not cutting them. 7. By whom was Chipko movement started? Answer. Chipko movement was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Find their meaning. 1. Marvelous. Wonderful. Dense. Deep. 3. Tree fellers, the person cutting the trees. Promised, a declaration that one will do or refrain from doing something specified. Resources, facility, obtained to get something. Complete the sentences. 1. Trees provide us with nuts, rubber, oil and gum. 2. Trees provide a place for birds to build their nest. 3. Roots of the trees bind the soil to prevent soil erosion. 4. Trees are our lungs. Without them, there will be no life on earth. 5. The Chipko movement was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna. 6. The government has started One Mahotsav movement, which means planting trees. 7. The children promised Grandpa to plant more and more trees. Match the following. Column 1. 1. Cards. 2. Cattle. 3. Keys. 4. Whales. 5. Sheep. 6. Sticks. Column 2. School. Pack. Flock. Bundle. Bunch. Herd. Answer. Cards. Pack. Cattle. Herd. Keys. Bunch. Whales. School. Sheep. Flock. Sticks. Bundle. Take the right options. 1. Who promised to plant more and more trees? A. Grandpa. B. Rekha. C. Pooja and her friends. C. Pooja and her friends. 2. How can we save trees? A. Not cutting trees. B. Planting more trees. C. Both A and B. Answer. C. Both A and B. 3. Name the process by which a green plant prepares its food. A. Photosynthesis. B. Wearing. C. Soil erosion. Answer A. Photosynthesis. Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. Arrange the given sentence in a sequence based on your reading of the chapter. 1. Grandpa said that trees clean the air. 2. Children rushed to the garden. 3. Grandpa called the children to tell them some interesting facts. 4. Children thanked Grandpa. 5. Sundar Lal Bahuguna started the Chipko movement. Communication. Writing skills. Write a letter to your friend who lives in a hostel. Tell him the importance of trees. Also, share some ways to conserve and protect Mother Nature's precious gift, the trees. Reading skills. Read the given sentences and underline the conjunctions in the sentences. 1. I looked for my pet dog but I could not find it. 2. I wore a raincoat because it was raining. 3. Run fast or you will miss the bus. 4. Shoaib and Wasif are brothers. 5. Would you like to eat an orange or a mango? Listening and speaking skills. Read the dialogue below and share with the class how you care for your plants. Jacob. Hi Celine. What are you doing? Celine. Me? Nothing. Just watering the plants. Jacob. Well, you are doing a great thing. Celine. Thank you. Jacob. Do you know trees are vital for us? They give us oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. Celine. Oh yes, it was taught to us in the EVS class. Jacob. Yes, they are indeed an essential part of our environment. Celine. Do you know 17 trees are cut down daily in our city? Jacob. That's why we should try to protect and plant more trees whenever possible. Celine. Yes, let's plant a small sapling in my garden. Tomorrow we will plant one in yours. Jacob. That's a good idea. Let's do it. Let's learn spellings. Find the meaning of the following words with the help of a dictionary. 1. Rush out. To run not quickly. 2. Chop. To cut. 3. Interesting. Engaging. 4. Serious. Thoughtful. 5. Clasped. Seized. 6. Suddenly. Unexpectedly. 7. Drought. Immense lack of water. 8. Movement. The act of moving. Let's learn grammar. Fill in the blanks using and or but. 1. I went to the shop to buy fruits and vegetables. 2. I ran fast but I could not catch the bus. 3. He is tall but thin. 4. Sweetie can sing and dance.